is known as solve process. The first process is known as solve process. Means that this process is known as solve process. Solve process. This process is known as solve process. This process is known as Hazen-Claver process. And this process is known as what we called it. This process is known as no. Just a minute. Just a minute. This is not a solve process. This is chloralkali process. This is
The last one is solvent process.
this is chloralkali process, and this is solve process. Okay. Just memorize each and everything. I'm going to ask you the preparations, and the next questions will be totally based on these preparations. So please memorize this one. Memorize this one. When you're done, please let me know. Alvina, are you there? Alvina,
Hello, sir. Good evening.
good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you, sir?
Alvina,
Sorry for joining a little late.
why? What are you saying?
There
Oh,
was some technical issues. I joined a little late.
okay. So, Alvina, there are some salts. Preparation of some salts is being written. First is caustic soda here. Preparation of caustic soda. The second one is bleaching powder, and third one is baking soda. Okay, their preparation you have to memorize, and their process name. I will ask you that how we'll prepare each and everything that is written on the screen. You have to memorize and practice it. I'm just coming back in 2 minutes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Done.
Yes, done. Done.
Yes.
Sorry for I will just give you extra time. Because I need to wait for the washroom. Okay, yes, Alvina, are you there? Okay. Now just tell me, Mariam, how can we prepare bleaching powder?
Um,
Okay.
Bleaching powder. So we treat calcium hydroxide with chlorine gas. So CaOH the whole twice plus Cl2 gives CaO, Cl2 and H2.
Okay. Yes, yes, Zainab, how can we prepare caustic soda?
Caustic soda. Okay. Slate lime CaOH whole 2 plus
Caustic
Cl2.
soda, caustic soda.
Oh, okay. Caustic soda. Uh, Na. Wait, one second.
Yes, Alvina, how can we prepare caustic soda?
Um, Caustic soda can be prepared by NaCl plus H2O. I mean, through, sorry, excuse me. Like, electricity can be passed through in a concentrated solution of NaCl solution, which gives NaOH and H2O gas and chlorine gas. This process is also known as chlor chlor chloralkali process because of the formation of chlorine gas and the formation of alkali, that is NaOH.
Okay, yes. Yes, Junaid, how can we prepare baking soda?
Baking soda is prepared with NaCl plus H2O plus NH3, and we use
And
Cl
Cl.
with, yeah,
No chlorine gas is used in preparation of baking soda. Yes, use Zainab. How can we prepare baking soda?
NH4 plus H2O plus carbon dioxide CO2 plus N NaOH.
You were saying that you learn you I told you to that everyone should memorize it and should practice it by writing 2 or 3 times, then check whether you have committed some mistake or not. Alvina, how can we prepare baking soda? Okay, again, practice it, learn it, and write 2 or 3 times in your notebook and check whether you are committing some mistake. Right, but first learn it, then try to write it on your in your own means. Try to write it whether by not seeing this screen. Okay, then check whether you have committed some mistake or not, something missing, something extra written. Okay, so check it, try to, because you will not be able to perform any question if you have not done this one well. Right. Yes, Abdul, why you join late? Abdul, why you join late?
I was outside.
Turn on your camera. Turn on your camera. Abdul Kavi, I'm asking that turn on your camera. Done? Memorized?
Wait, a little more time. Sorry.
So, Junaid, you done?
No, I'm doing the memory thing right now. After I write it down.
Okay, noted, noted. Because
Thank you.
yes, Junaid, right? These are the preparation of chloralkali process, bleaching powder, and solvent process. You have to memorize this. Memorize it fast.
Okay.
Done? Yes, now tell me. Uh, I'm just writing here some incorrect, and you have to tell me that what is incorrect in this one. Okay. So NaCl when react with water, when we pass heat to it, it will gives you NaOH plus Cl2 plus H2O. Second equation is NaOH plus CO2 plus NH3 plus water will gives you NaHCO2 plus NH3Cl. And third one is CaOH plus Cl2 will gives you CaOCl plus H2. Yes, Zainab, what is the mistake in the first one?
In the first one, instead of heat, it will be electricity, and in the last, it will be H2.
It should be electricity and it should be H2. Yes, Alvina, in the first one, is it correct now? Is it correct now? The first equation?
Sir, I said H2.
H2 means we have removed O from here. Okay,
Okay.
should be H2. Is it correct now?
Yes,
Alvina?
sir. It is correct.
It is correct. Okay. Yes, you, Junaid, what is the mistake in the second one?
The second one is,
The page should be visible to me.
yeah, NaOH in the story. NaOH. It's
NaOH
N,
was
yeah, it's Na. Wait, this one? No.
N.
The NaOH is supposed to be NaCl. NaCl.
Okay, no, this one should be NaCl.
Yeah.
This one should be NaCl. Okay, next. Otherwise, it is correct.
Yeah, it's correct now.
It's
It's
correct
just
now.
this order, but does the order matter or does it not?
What do you say?
Does order matter in chemical equation? Order.
Yeah, it is a chemical equation. The
Oh,
second one.
so order matter.
I'm asking you, is there any other mistake in the second equation?
No,
Is there
I don't think so.
you don't think so? Okay, Mariam, is that any another mistake in second equation?
Sir, in the product side, it's NH4Cl and NaHCO3.
It should be NH4Cl.
Yeah.
NH4Cl. And it should
And
be
NaHCO3.
it should be NaHCO3.
3. Yeah.
Okay. Yes, you Alvina. What is the mistake in the second one? Third one? Alvina, mistake in the third one.
It should be H2O. No. It should be OH whole square.
All twice, okay.
Yes.
Don't do this. Don't swab your paper. Don't check it on paper. Just look at the screen only. Is it okay now?
Yes.
Yes, Mariam, is it okay now?
Sir, in the product side, it's CaOCl2
And
and H2O.
COCl2 and H2O.
And H2O water.
Yes, Zainab, is it another mistake in anyone, one or two or three? Is there any mistake you found in equation 1, 2, and 3?
No, sir.
No. Sure.
Yeah.
Good. So these are the three equations that you have committed the mistake. So you must learn the proper formula. NH4Cl, not NH3Cl. Okay. So this is the way that you're going to learn. Okay. Now you understood? Okay. What is the name given to the first? What is the name of the process of preparing bleaching powder? What is the name of the process? Yes, Junaid. What is the name of the process of preparing bleaching powder?
The name of the process for preparing bleaching powder is
Yes, Susanna.
Solvery.
No, it is not solvery.
Solve.
Not solve.
Solvery. No, wait.
Bleaching powder.
Chloralkali.
No. As in clever process. Yes, you, Mariam. What is the name of the process used for preparing caustic soda?
Chloralkali process.
And Alvina, what is the name of the given to the process for preparing baking soda?
Solvery process.
Not solvery. It is solve.
Solve. Okay.
Solve process. Okay. Okay. So let us start doing some questions over this topic. Okay. Here we have some question over it. Okay. Question number 39. What could be the compound X and Y?
Chlorine and hydrogen.
What is the compound X and Y? Using chlorine and hydrogen? Zainab?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, you, Alvina, what could be your answer? Yes, Alvina, what could be the and tell me what could be the answer for the question number 39?
Sir, will it be chlorine and calcium oxychloride?
Chlorine and calcium oxychloride.
Yeah.
Yes, Mariam, what could be the answer?
Sir, I also think it's X is chlorine and Y is calcium oxychloride.
Yes, Junaid, what is your answer?
X is chlorine and Y is calcium oxide. I think it's calcium oxide.
Calcium oxide.
Yeah.
What is the formula for the bleaching powder? Yes, yeah, Abdul, what is the formula for bleaching powder? What is the formula for bleaching powder?
CaOCl2.
Zainab, do you want to change your answer?
Sir,
I
yes.
What is X?
X chlorine,
Okay, and Y?
Y CaOCl2.
Yeah, it is CO. It is saying industrial method used for preparing sodium hydroxide. So sodium hydroxide is NaOH. How we prepare NaOH? By passing NaCl plus water, and when we pass electricity to it, it will give you NaOH, which is sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas plus chlorine gas. And this chlorine gas, it is saying as a byproduct, a gas X is formed as a byproduct. Here the two types of gases are formed, but it is saying the gas X is used with lime water. What is lime water? The lime water is for calcium hydroxide. The slag lime and lime water has same formula. So it can use slag lime here, it can use lime water as their wish. Okay. Plus, when they pass gas X, chlorine gas to it, it will gives you bleaching agent, substance Y, a compound Y, which is used as bleaching agent. So bleaching agent means bleaching powder. CaOCl2 plus water. So this is bleaching powder CaOCl2. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Note this question in your copy and write down these two equations. Note it fast. Done? Noted?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Next. Has everyone noted this one? Is there anyone still?
Yes, sir.
Write down question number 45 in your copy. Write down question number 45 in your copy and try to find out x, y, z, and we know what happened. You are so looking so anxious.
No, no, I'm writing.
Noted? Yes or no?
Sir, 1 minute.
Done. What is X? What is Y? What is Z? Okay, let me help you this question that you need to understood, and then you have to solve it by your own. Okay. Certainly, I'm going to teach you this question. Okay. So here we have this question on your screen. Okay. It is saying that a metal carbonate X. Okay. A metal carbonate X. So before I am teaching you, is there any student who want to give his answer? Mariam, Zainab, Alvina, do you want to give what is X, what is Y, what is Z, and what is G? Anyone. Either if you know anyone,
what is G, Y, and Z. I
Yes.
don't know it.
what do you know? G, Y,
And Z.
Green.
G, Y, and Z. Don't, only the X you don't know.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, you, Alvina. Do you know? Alvina, do you know? No. Any
I
one
know.
of them?
I know G, Y, and X.
You know G, Y, and X, not Z.
No.
And yes, you, Firdaus, Junaid Firdaus, and Abdul Kabir. Do you know any one of them? And Aisha is also here.
No, no, I don't.
Let me check. Aisha is also here. You don't know?
Yes.
Aisha, do you know any one of them? X, Y, and Z, and G?
Yes, sir.
Which one?
X
You know?
is X and X, Y, and Z.
You know X, Y, and Z. Don't know G.
No.
Okay, tell me what is X?
X is calcium gives CO2, and then Y is lime water. Z is bleaching powder.
Z is bleaching powder. Okay, let's start from the Z. From the some question, if you don't understand, they can be started from anywhere in the mid between. Okay, like for example, here it is saying that a metal X carbonate on heatings with an acid give uh, a gas which when passed through a solution Y gives the carbonate back. So first of all, on the basis of the chemical properties of metal carbonate reaction with acid, we have studied this one that when metal carbonate react with acid, okay, they will gives you salt plus water plus carbon dioxide gas. Okay. So here a gas is, which gas it is talking about? It is talking about, which gas it is talking about?
Oh.
Carbon dioxide. Okay.
Okay.
Still we don't know metal carbonate X. Let it be. We don't know. Okay. Now it is saying the gas which is produced when metal carbonate react with acid gives a gas which when passed through a solution Y give the carbonate back. Give the carbonate back. So we don't know that what is the Y solution right now, and we are just passing carbon dioxide to it, and it will gives you this metal carbonate X back. Okay. Now it is very popular reaction. You can understand here that when carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, it will gives you calcium carbonate. So it might be this Y compound can be lime water, which is calcium hydroxide. Can be, it can be, but we are not sure. If suppose Y solution is calcium hydroxide, then the metal X will be here. This compound will be calcium carbonate, CaCO3 plus water. So on the assumption that Y is calcium hydroxide, when we pass carbon dioxide to lime water, this is calcium hydroxide, it is lime water. When we pass carbon dioxide to it, it will gives you calcium carbonate. Okay, it will gives you calcium carbonate plus water. Understood? Yes or no? Yes or no, Alvina?
Yes, sir.
So on the assumption we have assumed like X is calcium carbonate and Y is calcium hydroxide, but we are not sure right now. We have arbitrary chosen by our choice. Now moving further on the question. On the other hand, a gas G which is obtained at anode during the electrolysis of brine. Brine is what is brine? What is brine? Yes, you Aisha, what is brine? Aisha, what is brine? Okay, Abdul Kavi, what is brine? What is brine? Abdul Kavi, are you there in the class?
Yes.
So who asked you to turn off your camera? Did I say?
No.
Yes, Aisha.
So my battery is very low,
It's
so I
okay.
cannot listen.
Okay. I'm asking you here that which gas is obtained at anode during the electrolysis of brine? What is brine? What is brine? Do you know what is brine, Aisha?
Yes, sir.
What is brine?
Brine is a kind of salt water.
Yes, you, Alvina, what is brine?
The aqueous solution of NaCl.
Aqueous solution of NaCl. So it is saying NaCl plus water. This is brine. This is brine. So it is saying when we electrolysis it, when we pass electricity, it is just talking about the chloralkali process. Electricity to it. What it will gives you? Yes, Susanna, what it will gives you?
chlorine gas and hydrogen gas.
Along with NaOH also?
Yeah.
Plus chlorine gas plus hydrogen gas. Which gas is obtained at anode? It is saying, on the other hand, a gas which is obtained at anode during the electrolysis of brine. So which gas is obtained at anode? Chlorine gas.
Chlorine.
Anode. It will be obtained at anode. So a gas G which is obtained at anode during the electrolysis of brine is passed through dry Y. So this Y is dry now. But I told you the compound, if it is in different state, whether it is dry, aqueous, or in gaseous state, its formula do not change. So now, so it is saying that gas G, which is obtained at anode during the electrolysis of brine, is passed through dry Y. It gives a compound Z, which is used as disinfectant for killing germs. So which is used? Bleaching powder is used for killing germs. So we know that if we know the preparation of bleaching powder, that CaCl2 plus water is formed when we pass chlorine gas to what? CaOH whole by slag lime. So slag lime is the dry calcium hydroxide. So this is dry Y. Right. So now we understood that Y is our assumption here for thinking that Y is calcium hydroxide. It is correct because we are sure that this Z compound is bleaching powder because it is used for disinfectant, and chlorine gas bleaching powder is prepared by passing chlorine gas to calcium hydroxide, which is a Y compound. So the Y here should be Y here. Same calcium hydroxide. Now the calcium hydroxide when pass carbon dioxide will give you calcium carbonate. So it is metal carbonate. So X is calcium carbonate, Y is calcium hydroxide. Gas G is chlorine gas, and dry Y is this one. Okay. So try to don't copy this one. Just try to memorize this one first, and then try to do it in your words. When you done, first you try to memorize. Just try to understood the equations, and then you start writing. And when you start writing, then let me know. I will remove this from the screen.
Sir,
Yes.
I still And how we got X?
Still confused how we got X?
Mm,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay. Now it is saying in the question that why is calcium hydroxide? Here the compound,
Okay.
it is saying here, if you check, it is saying the gas G which is obtained at anode. Okay. The gas G which
Yes.
is obtained during the electrolysis of brine is passed on dry Y. And here is also Y. It is a solution Y. So lime water is a solution of calcium hydroxide. And slag lime is like toothpaste. It is a paste-like structure. So dry Y. Okay. But the
Yes,
compound will not, the formula will not change. So it is saying, now we know that gas G is chlorine gas. When we pass it through Y, dry Y. So Y is calcium hydroxide, it will give you bleaching powder. So if we know the preparation of bleaching powder, we can easily assume that Y is calcium hydroxide. Now it is saying that
yes,
initially this metal carbonate when react with acid, it will give you carbon dioxide. And when this carbon dioxide is passed through Y solution, so it will give you carbonate back. So it means X is
sir.
calcium
Where is
carbonate.
what?
Because we are passing, when we pass carbon dioxide to lime water, it will give you calcium carbonate. Okay, Mariam.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And it is saying that give the carbonate back. Give the carbonate. It is should be metal carbonate back. Should be fully written here, metal carbonate back. Or
Yes, sir.
it should be give the X back. It can be X as a compound back. It should be written like this. But it's okay.
Yes, sir.
According to the NCERT, there are some tricky languages. So don't write it right now. First you tell me, you done? You will be able to write it in your own words?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
isn't this like a one-word answer though?
No, you have to write the reactions involved also. But you know, but just try to, in order to practice the equations, you have to memorize these equations also, okay? You're not going to write X, Y, Z is this one, okay? So now you have noted question also. Now try to write the answer. Try to write the answer in your own words.